Hi everybody, tonight we will do a strawberry keychain. First we will cast on the machine by starting by the black needle, and we are going one in the front, one in the back for the first row. For this strawberry we will need 16 rows of red, so put that in your notebook. I put that here. I put my yarn in the yarn feeder and in the tension gadget, and then I crank for 16 rows. Now it's time to cast off. I cut the yarn. We'll crank the machine for a full 360. Just stop before the yarn feeder, and with the wool needle I will pick up all the stitches one by one. Be careful not to get any drop stitch. Oops, I almost get one here, so I will go and grab my loom hook, bring the stitch back with the hook number 5 or 4, sorry 4. I will go grab the stitches and get in one row and second row, and with the wool needle we'll pick that stitches. So not there, I almost lost the other one too. That's it, when you go too fast things happen, huh? So we'll go and grab all the stitches one by one. There. If you have any question, you could ask it in the comment of this video. So this part is done. Stretch it. Oops. I have one here, one live stitch here. We'll grab it and we can't see it anymore. So I will go and attach this side of the tube, and I will pull and do the same thing on the other side of the tube. I will do the same thing with the green part just after, just in case you don't see it. It's the same. I will do the same exact thing with the green part. So I will attach those two together. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Now with the wool needle I will grab one stitches, skip one, get one, skip one, till I reach the starting point. There. So I recycle a key ring that I have at home to do this project. So we'll do and put just a little bit of stuffing, just a little bit, just to give it a shape. No need to go too much, because you don't want to see through it. So I attach both sides, bring the tail of yarn on the other side, like this, and then hide it. It's clumsy sometimes with my hands, sorry for that. So time to eye those, not eye, but give a shape to the strawberry. I will go and skip one, get one, skip one, and I try to stay on the same row. It's only to give a shape. If you don't feel like it, don't do it. All the strawberry are different shapes, so a strawberry is a strawberry. Oh, sorry for that. So I pinch it with my finger like this to help hit getting the new shape. There. Secure it a little bit and bring my yarn at the bottom. There, stretch it, and then bring that tail to the other tail to secure and attach it together. There. just like this. Ta-da! First part is done. Now with 90 centimeter of yellow, I will do the seed. For the seed, I just grab the bar in the middle of the stitch. So I will keep a tail of yarn and go grab another one here. Come back on my work like this. Grab a new one. Pull a little bit and you got your first seed. So I'll continue like that. Not like this. I have to go inside this strawberry. Almost did a mistake right there. So I go and grab in the middle the bar. Like this. Go on the side. Make sure you fix your seed when you can. And so I follow the same row, like not the row but the same column, and then I go on the side. And there's not a particular way to do it, just go and turn your strawberry on the side. When you finish one column, pull it on the side like this. Bring it here. There. And I go to the starting point. And I will attach those two tails of yellow to the together. So part 2 of the strawberry is done. I will cut the seed. Voila! So now it's time to cast on the green. Sorry, the camera didn't get the color correctly. It looked like it's black. But you will do 8 rows. Same thing as you do with the red, but except you do 8 rows. So it's time to cast off. You will remove it from the yarn feeder, crank it like this, and with your wool needle you will go and grab stitch by stitch like this. Continue. It's very important to crank the machine for the 360, because if you don't crank it, it will be like impossible to remove the stitch from the machine. You need to crank it like this. So I continue. And I have a tube of 8 rows. So we'll pull on one side, close one side of the tube like this, secure it with a knot, and we'll pull on the other tail. It's too big like this. So I pull on it to close the second part of the tube, and then I will go in the middle to secure it. There, attach it together, and I will give it a shape like a flower of 4 leaves. Or petal, I don't know. It's green, it's not a petal. There. Attach it together and continue. Go in the middle. Pull on your yarn. Attach it. So it is last one, and I will attach it on the strawberry body. Like this. So time to bring the body of the strawberry. I pick it on the top, as you could see, right where is the knot. So it's a very tough part, so we'll keep the keychain ring correctly and safe. So now I attach the leaves on the strawberry. So I grab a full stitch and a full stitch on the berry. Full stitch on green, full stitch on red. And I will continue like that. There. Almost finished. Oops. This. And we'll attach those two tails together soon. Pick it to join the other tail on the other side. Attach it securely together. Double knot. And voila! Third part of the strawberry. Now it's time to hide those tails and add the key ring I recycled from another keychain that I have home. Ta-da! So add this part now. Pick in the middle where it's not easy at all to pick and come back. Pull. Almost finished. Go back and forth. And don't forget that I have all kind of video every week, so don't miss it. So this part almost done. Hide the tail. I will add the second ring soon. Got it. So another part's done. I continue. I bring that ring with the key on it. And voila, it's done. I wish you all a great week. See you next week for a new tricks and tips video. Ciao, ciao.